Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to unlock Redmi phone if forgot password. So here I have Redmi 13C 5G in my hand, and in this video I'm going to show you how to unlock Redmi phone if forgot password. As you can see, wrong pin entered. Okay, this is helpful for those who have forgot their password, pin or pattern. Okay, to unlock it, first press the volume up and power key together. Now slide upward to power it off. Okay, now it is successful power off. Now press and hold the volume up and power key together. Press and hold it. Keep pressing it. And now release. So you can see it will send you in main menu of MIUI Recovery 5.0. Here you can see reboot, wipe data and connect with MI Assistant is available. Now volume key is to move up and down and power button to confirm. So now here go to wipe data. Here go to wipe data and confirm. And guys, read it carefully. Wipe all user data. This will delete all stored data on your device. So now go to wipe all data and confirm. And you can see confirm wipe of all data. This cannot be undone. Now go to confirm and confirm it. And you can see data wiped successfully. Now back to main menu and reboot to system. And guys, after hard reset might take some time to boot up the device, and after hard reset might again ask for password, pin or pattern. Use Google account to unlock the phone. So guys, this is the method to unlock Redmi phone if forgot password. Guys, thanks for watching. If you have any query related to this video, let me know in comment section below. Please like, share, subscribe and click on that icon for the latest updates.